And who needs an Animal Kingdom Lodge Savannah view when you have a Saratoga Springs turkey view? Good morning from a room here at Saratoga Springs. What we're doing this morning is we're checking out of Saratoga Springs, going to Chef Art Smith's Homecoming for breakfast, which they're already over there. I'm waiting to get our luggage picked up. Amelia and I are gonna go to Old Key West. We're just gonna have a resort day, and then we're gonna go to Topolino's later tonight for dinner. Super excited. Let's have a great day. Making the walk over. Walking in. Temperature screening. Good morning. Absolutely.
You're all set.
Perfect, thank you. Good morning. A decent amount of people here on a Sunday morning. That's different. There's Saratoga Springs right there. So we just were. I love this. I love this setting. It's very windy. There's paddlefish. Never been there. Don't know if I've heard good things about it at all, actually. But it looks really cool. So a good chef will be key for there. There's Morimoto Asia, which I've heard is kind of the bomb. Super good from what I've heard. But we are headed into chicken. Chef Art Smith's Homecoming. Delicious. Look at this setting. Justin, are you so excited for Christmas?
Very. Because I get more days off.
Whoa! That is a huge piece of chicken. Brunch is complete. Now it's time to go shopping. Morimoto Asia really getting their food ready. I love the setting here at Disney Springs so much. Just with the springs, even though they're not real, but just the feel is great. Hello, World of Disney. You are going to be welcoming patrons us. This store is huge. If you've never been in here, it's massive. We're headed back to Saratoga Springs. The rain is pouring. We're getting soaked. We're walking to Community Hall to hopefully just hang out. Hopefully it's open. Ding Kong, anyone? All right, let's keep walking. We're going this way. Ooh, foosball. Ooh, Ethan touching the thing.
Come on, Amelia, come on. Oh,
Whoa, we're going into the spa area. Okay. It's a rainy day here in Central Florida. We are inside the Artist Palette, and we can get some food if we want. Doing some shopping here in the Artist Palette store. It looks like they have some Saratoga Springs. Like, these look very themed to what you are going to find in Saratoga Springs. I really like that stuff, like, a lot, and wouldn't mind buying it. Here's the Saratoga Springs merch. We got some ornaments, a little keychain like that. Got a mug here. You got some pretty good t-shirts. And actually, you know, some pretty good little polos and things like that. I like this stuff. I really do. We'll see which one I get. Walking outside. Hopefully it's not raining after we relax. It's awkward. I just decided right there. Do we want to walk into the pool and hang out?
I mean, the towels are free.
The towels are free. Ooh, she drinks a Coke. How's it taste? Straight out of a bottle. You too can have one at your house right now. Not in that cup though. Nice.
I hate me too.
Oh yes, little pedicure.
Accidentally stepped on the towel that's hanging over the pool and stuff. Oh. Successfully does not get the jeans wet. It's pretty impressive. Well, guess we're about to have a horse race.
Sounds like it.
What on
What
earth?
time is it?
I love this pool setting. Love it. Hello, Mr. Jockey. It's pretty cool. Winter circle. So tall. I bet they put a Christmas tree up in here and I bet it's so nice. I might ask them. This is very sad. They're about to board the Tragical Express. R.I.P. There they go. Gone forever. Oh, so sad. We're now gonna go to Old Key West. We're headed to Old Key West. Welcome to Old Key West. Beautiful. So we've just checked in and they didn't have a 1-bedroom ready, so we're in a 2-bedroom, which will be awesome. We're headed over there. Here's building 13. We're headed towards building 14 right now. Here we go, 14. Headed to 1420, so on the right. Up we go. We are getting dressed and ready to go out to dinner at Topolino's Terrace. It's going to be delicious. Melia's been there once. I've never been there. It's at the Riviera Resort. So we're gonna head over there in just a minute. Day here, but it's starting to clear up a little bit. There's a Disney Springs bus. Technically could have gotten on that and then gotten on a bus from Disney Springs to Riviera, but we're just going to take an Uber. Waiting on the Uber, wearing our rain jacket hoods. Right? We've arrived at the Riviera. This is really pretty. Wow. This is so beautiful. Look at these pieces of artwork. There's Walt with penguins. I love it. Because it's like Mary Poppins. This is so pretty. This smells so good. An amazing, amazing view at the top of Topolino's Terrace. We're at our table with quite the amazing view. Just beautiful. Lily just stabbed her water with the bread. Look at that. What? Yummy, yummy, yummy. We got the ricotta. Ricotta. How is it? Super good? There's my filet. That looks delicious. What is that?
Linguine scampi.
Delicious. I think this might be the best steak I've ever had, and that's not me exaggerating. Amelia, scampi pretty good?
It's very good.
We're about to try some of it. All right, we just wrapped up our dinner at Topolino's Terrace, and it was so good. I will eat here as often as I can, because it was delicious. We'll be back. We're going outside. Try the other door.
You do it. I can't tell if it's a pool or play.
Oh man. Wow. We just wrapped up our dinner. We probably should press the elevator button so we're not just sitting. That would have been hilarious. But we just finished up dinner at Topolino's Terrace, and it was delicious, and it might be my favorite restaurant on property. Whoa, was that good? We're gonna explore. Just stunning. I think we're going to go to the Skyliner, get on it, go towards the Epcot station so we can go to Beaches and Cream, walk up, and get some ice cream.
Sorry.
Beautiful. Hey, you guys ready for this? Skyliner thoughts? Skyliner. Off we go up onto the Skyliner. Woohoo! I just did a really cheesy face.
Welcome aboard the
Yeah.
Disney Skyliner at Disney's Riviera Resort.
It is very dark, but you can see the new Ratatouille show
Ladies and
building right there.
gentlemen, we are now arriving at Epcot. This concludes your journey aboard the Disney
I will say,
Skyliner.
that
All
area
passengers
looks
must
almost,
disembark at this station.
Yeah, it looks
Return
nice.
service is available.
Oh, they're building
Thank
the
you.
turnstiles.
We hope you enjoyed the most
Very
magical
nice.
flight.
Welcome to the Beach Club, the Yacht Club, and the Boardwalk, which is one of my favorites. Headed into the Beach Club. Oh, I love Stormalong Bay. We would love to go to Stormalong Bay. Maybe one day we'll go to Stormalong Bay. It smells so good in here. I love it. The to-go window. Amelia, let's look at the menu. We got, what do we get? The fudge mudslide. And they're working on it right now. And we're sitting next to Stormalong Bay outside of Beaches and Cream. Delicious. Yeah, we got that yummy. Oh. Well, that was delicious. And now we're gonna go grab an Uber and head back to Old Key West. We have stayed in the Beach Club Villas, which enter over there, and we love them. As we start the process of heading back to the hotel, we're gonna call it a night from the Beach Club Resort, which is awesome. Thank you for watching today's adventure. It was a long day, but it was a good day. We said goodbye to friends, but got to hang out with just us, which was awesome. So hit that like button, subscribe. Thanks guys for watching. What on earth is happening right now? This is the most odd thing I've ever seen in my entire life.